How to fix Android not making calls. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is tap on the settings application on your device. As you do that, you just need to scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Here select on manage apps and then tap on the search bar and search for the option of phone. So as you search for the phone application, the app will pop up at the bottom. So just search for the phone application over here. So as you do that, tap on the phone application. And as you tap on the phone application, tap on clear data option at the bottom of the screen and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. Next, make sure you have stable network connection on your device. And if that does not fix the issue, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.